men were cleaning Gordon. Gordon didn't like it.
Mind my eye! Mind my eye!
Oh, shut up, silly. Shut up. The hosing and the scrubbing stopped. Gordon opened one eye, but shut it quickly. The fat controller came along.
Wake up, Gordon, and listen to me, will you? Now look, you will pull no more coaches until you're a really useful engine. Understand that?
So Gordon had to spend his time pulling trucks, and he felt his position deeply.
Oh, goods trains. Goods trains. Oh, I hate goods trains. I hate them.
And he went up to the trucks and he banged them about. It's no good going on like that, Gordon. Trucks will be trucks, you know.
Ah, well, not with me they won't. I'll teach them. Go on. They tried to push me down the hill this morning, James. It's slippery there. You'll probably need some help with the express, you know.
Me? Help? Ha! I don't need any help on hills. Gordon laughed and got ready for his next train. And James went away to take the express. Slippery hills indeed. I don't need help. Come on, you coaches. Come on. The train was soon running nicely, but a distant signal checked them close to Gordon's hill.
Mind my eye!
Gordon's Hill used to be bleak and bare. Strong winds from the sea made it hard to climb. Trees were planted to give shelter. Autumn had come, and dead leaves fell. The home signal showed clear, and James began to go faster. He started to climb the hill. Halfway up, he was not so sure. I must do it, I must do it, I must do it, I must do it, I must do it. But try as he would, his wheels slipped on the leaves, and he couldn't pull the train at all. The train slowly stopped, for although James's wheels were turning forwards, the whole train started slipping down the hill. Help! 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 James's driver shut off steam, carefully put on the brakes, and skillfully stopped the train. The guard came along and poked his head into the cab. Know what? Back to the station and send for a banker. But Gordon, who had followed with the goods train, saw what had happened.
Hello, James. I thought you could climb hills.
All James could say was, he hadn't enough steam.
Ah, well, James, we live and learn, don't we? We live and learn. Never mind, little James. I'm going to push behind. Now look, whistle when you are ready.
So James waited till he had plenty of steam, and then he went,
Pull hard, James. Pull hard. We'll do it.
clouds of smoke and steam towered from the snorting engines as they struggled up the hill.
We can do it.
We will do it. And presently they reached the top. Goodbye, God, and thank you very much indeed. Gordon watched the coaches wistfully till they were out of sight, then slowly trundled back to his waiting trucks.